Everybody's talking about eating ass all the time. It's weird. All the people, that's new, right? Like the last year, it seems like everybody's like, eat ass, eat ass, you gotta eat ass. What do you mean you're not eating ass? We're all eating ass. You gotta eat ass. Like, it's fucking ridiculous out there. You go on Twitter, people put up polls, weird polls. Which of these Muppets eats the most ass? Weird options, too. Miss Piggy, Fozzie Bear, the answer's animal. We all know it's animal. That's why they call him that. And I also think we're getting ahead of ourselves. Because there have been a lot of things that have been trends in the past that people got really excited about that actually turned out not to be a good idea. Like cigarettes. People used to love cigarettes. Turned out not to be a good idea. How do we know that 40 years from now we won't find out that eating ass causes throat cancer or some shit? There's just a lot of people walking around like, I used to eat 6 to 8 asses a day. Don't be like me, kids. Fucking high school assemblies and shit, people pop locking. Stay off the ass.